Have you ever seen someone with money, without a partner? Hello YouTube friends. My name is Hugo. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his smart strategy, which is the how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, plus his completely complimentary training. Feel free to refer this video to your friends who will no doubt appreciate it. This is a photo of a young Matt. At the date of this video, 2024, Matt is aged about 23, so he has been in the business for around 8 years now. Here is Matt's introduction. He says,
Hey, what's up guys, Matt Parr here. In this video today, I'm gonna be going over how you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face, and without even recording videos.
Yes, it is possible, and in this video here today, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. The information that Matt is giving you here today, I'm telling you, is from Matt's experience. Matt runs 12 different YouTube channels, many of which he has never shown his face. Yet he is still able to pull in greater than $30,000 a month from those YouTube channels. So Matt has actually broken down making money on YouTube, without recording videos and without showing your face, into 3 distinct steps. Matt is going to be going over these steps today. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen someone with money, without a partner? So, number 1 is choosing a niche. First of all, you need to find a niche that you can make and upload videos in. This has to be a niche in which you can make videos without showing your face. For example, you could do a top 10 channel. Top 10 channels are also referred to as list channels, and I'm sure you've seen channels like this on YouTube. You might have seen channels that show the top 10 fastest cars, or the top 5 most shocking Guinness World Records. These are all examples of list videos, which are a perfect way to make money on YouTube, without even showing your face, and without even recording videos. Another great example of a niche is the health niche. For example, you could do videos such as the top 10 ways that drinking apple cider vinegar will help your health. And the key with choosing a niche is that you want to go as specific and as narrow as you possibly can. So for example, you might not want to do health as a whole general thing. But instead, maybe you want to do just vegan health. Or you want to do ways to build muscle. These are great examples of what Matt likes to call sub-niches, in which you niche down even further from that big broad niche of health, going into something more specific. Please stay with us. Alright, now, the second step is to create and upload content. So you're probably wondering how he is going to get content, if he is not appearing on camera, or if he is not recording his face. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Now, there are so many different ways that you can go about doing this. One of the favorites that he likes to do is just recording a voiceover. So, all you have to do is record your own voice. When Matt started off on YouTube, he had this really crappy iPhone that he used to record voiceovers. At the time, he was making $9,000 a month as a 16-year-old in high school. So, this is definitely possible to do. But, you need to record voiceovers, and like Matt said, you don't need any fancy equipment to do so. In a video editor, you can overlay clips that you'd like to use. Now, be careful with using clips. Don't just go take other people's clips then upload them on YouTube. Make sure you have their permission to use those clips and you are following guidelines, such as fair use. But, One of the best things that he likes to do is, go to free stock footage websites. Some examples of these are pxels.com, and videvio.net. These are great examples of places where you can find completely free stock footage to use within your YouTube videos. And then you do a voiceover on top of those videos and there you go. You have a video that you didn't even record yourself. You are allowed to legally upload those videos onto YouTube and make money as a result from them. And that brings me to my third step, monetizing your YouTube channel. You're probably wondering now, how in the world is he going to make money from my channel if I'm just uploading these random videos? There's several different ways you can make money and monetize your YouTube channel. One of these is the YouTube Partner Program. So, you can take part in this partner program when you have 4,000 hours of watch time across your entire channel and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Once you reach those milestones, you're able to join the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube will put adverts on your videos and you will be paid for every single view or ad impression that you get on those respective videos in accord with YouTube policies. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you're not showing your face, is to promote affiliate products. You can find products like these on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank and DGStore24. You can find affiliate products to promote. So, for example, if you're doing a health YouTube channel, you could find affiliate products like the best green juice that have an affiliate program. Don't split yet. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Sign up for those affiliate programs and then promote those in the link in the description of your YouTube videos, as well as putting that link in the pinned comment section of your YouTube videos. This is an amazing way to monetize your YouTube channel, and you don't have to wait to get those 4,000 hours of watch time, or 1,000 subscribers, to start making money and monetizing your YouTube channel right away. So, as a conclusion, there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. Matt hopes that he has opened up your eyes in this video a lot. That's all the different ways out there that you can start making money on YouTube. Most people think YouTube consists of doing what Matt is not doing right now. That is, sitting in front of a camera and talking to the camera. That is not what YouTube is limited to. There's so many different ways to make content and make money from that content on YouTube. This video is all text displayed as it is spoken. Many people prefer this method. Matt hopes he made some light bulbs go off in your head, and he hopes you realize that there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. Like he said, his name is Matt Parr, and he is on a quest to help as many people as he possibly can replace their 9-to-5 jobs with income from YouTube channels. As he said, he currently runs 12 different YouTube channels and he wants to show people that this is possible. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube at the age of 23. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. So, check out the website which is on the third line of the description below. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.